Okay, next prerequisite is basically practice, right? Now we are done with the activities, steps, activities, as well as the value streams. So we have to have a practice. Practice ensures that people are in place, tools are in place, and we also have the necessary approvals to function, necessary budget, resources, maybe a vendor management system, maybe a risk management system. We are strong on the processes required to run a practice. Practice on the whole ensures that we reach the consistent outcome and also ensure that the practice and the process activities evolve as we go longer, right? Basically, making certain decisions, making certain improvement activities, which impacts more than one process altogether, right? It can be as simple as a governance practice. It can be as simple as a finance department's practice. It might be multiple again. Uh, so it depends on how the organization has divided itself, or what's the model of their governing entity, right? It can be multiple departments clubbed into one practice, or maybe one team itself is a practice, right? Depends on how it is structured, but ensuring that there is suffice ways to govern multiple processes or single processes, which includes various teams, which is basically concentrating on achievement of specific set of goals is a practice, and ensuring that the practice is well defined, know what their future goals are, what the outcome to be achieved, what is expected out of them in a more formalized documented format is pretty much a prerequisite, because when you go to a particular department to automate certain steps, you need certain governance to be in place, which not only provides you the documentation, but also helps you understand the outcomes, the nitty-gritties, the value streams. There are certain undocumented ways of working which we want to get rid of. And that happens at this part of the time. Note that this is the place where most of the strategy decisions input comes from. Basically, the strategy decisions are outlined on the various factors which are manually happening at the practice level, right? These are key criterias which you have to understand uh, to get rid of manual activities, what to avoid, what not to avoid, how to make take the next step of basically next step of 1 minute. Let me check. Yeah, next step of complying to systems. All right. This is one place where the decision factors, the teething factors, can be discovered before we ensure that the systems are in place. All right. What are systems? I'll get back to you in the next video. Stay tuned. Next episode, I would go ahead and elaborate more on what are systems, and I would walk you through the process of the entire step. With that, thank you. Sorry, there was a call. I got disturbed a little, but I wouldn't be re-recording this for this. I believe you understood the concept. We will go ahead and touch base on the next subject, which is ensuring that the systems are in place. With that, I end this podcast. Thank you.